Because when we're in fear, our nervous system starts going crazy like this. I just want to share with you 3 simple hacks to deal with fear. The first one is called I Know I Am writing. So what happens with this is like, what are you fearful of? If you're fearful of getting sick, well, your know I am writing will be I know I am healthy. So the example would be writing I know I am healthy. And you want to write this 10 times a minimum every morning as soon as you wake up. I know I am healthy, I know I am healthy, I know I am healthy. Whatever your I know I am needs to be, write something that can really feel powerful within you when you write it. The second hack is get off technology. That's it. Stop looking at Facebook, stop looking at the news, stop listening to all that noise that's coming at you from forms of technology. Your phone, your computer, your TV. Get off it, reduce your time on it, and your fear will be reduced. It's that simple. And the third hack is simply have a nice warm bath and put black sesame seed oil in it. Or put black sesame seed oil on your body before you get into the bath. The reason we're doing this is it's going to settle down the nervous system. Because when we're in fear, our nervous system starts going crazy like this, and we need to settle it down, which will settle the fear down. So 3 hacks. I know I am writing 10 times every morning. Example, I know I am healthy. Second one, get off technology. Phone, computer, TV, get off it or minimize it. Third one, have a nice warm bath with black sesame seed oil. Put on yourself before you get in the bath, or put it in the bath. That is it. Thanks for watching along for these 3 simple hacks. Go ahead, go and implement them and do them now. The first one is get off technology, so hit off now.